Hello guys, how are you? Okay, in this video I'm going to work with the application that I created in the previous video. Let me show you the application Python 3 myapp.py. Okay, now I'm going to add some features to it, like export to CSV and import data from CSV and save imported data from CSV to MySQL server. Sorry, MySQL server. Okay, so let's start. Please do not rush, watch entire video very carefully. Okay, nano myapp.py. Okay guys, now let's create buttons first. Okay, this is the application that I created in the previous video. So I'm going to add buttons here. Just right below table. First button will be for export, so expbtn button, and here I will use wrapper 1 because my tree view is in wrapper 1. Okay, text export to export CSV. Okay, command export. Okay, expbtn.pack site tk.left. I will align all these buttons in single row so they will look good. Okay, pad x 10, pad y 10. Okay, next button will be for import data from CSV. So impbtn button wrapper 1 text import CSV. Okay, command import CSV. Okay, impbtn.pack site tk.left pad x 10, pad y 10. Okay, and next button will be used to save data, imported data from CSV to MySQL database. So save btn button wrapper 1 text save data, command save db. Okay, and save btn.pack site tk.left pad x 10, pad y 10. Okay, let's create exit button as well. So expbtn button wrapper 1 text exit and command it will be lambda exit. Okay, btn.pack site tk.left pad x 10, pad y 10. Okay, so wait, let me drink some water. Okay, let me show you how is it looking. So save the file and run it. Okay, I did not create functions, so it's giving us error. So let me create some empty functions first for the buttons we created. So first function is export. Okay, return true for now, and def import CSV return true for now, def save db. Okay, return true for now. Okay, let's save it and now check. Okay, here are the buttons. This will export data to CSV. Okay, and this will import data from CSV and show data here in this tree view. Okay, and this button save data will save imported data from CSV to MySQL database, and then this tree view will be updated and all the data will be showing here. Okay, and this exit button has been already coded, so exit it. Now let's code those functions. Okay, now watch video very carefully. Here I will import file dialog. Okay, you will find it out later in this video why I am importing this. And here import CSV and import OS. Okay, now in export, let's create export function first. So here wait, let me create a global variable to keep the data in it. Okay, so my data, this is a global variable for us. Okay, and here in this update function, I created this function in previous video, and this function has been called in most of the functions. Okay, so this is very important. I will populate my global data here. So my data, and here my data rows. Okay, it will keep all the rows, and this variable is going to be used throughout the video. So here now I will create a condition. If there is no data, let's suppose we search some data in MySQL that is not available, so our table will be empty. We should not be able to export empty table to CSV, so it will show an error message. So let's code it. If len my data is less than 1, then here I will show message box dot show error. Okay, no data available to export. Okay guys, you are getting it. Here I will return false. Okay, now here I will call file dialog. Okay, now let me tell you why I am calling file dialog, because I want to be able to create file with my own file name whatever I write. Okay, so fln file dialog dot ask save as file name. Okay, initial dir, here I will use os.getCwd. Okay, and here title save CSV. Okay, and here file types CSV file star.csv. Okay, and second will be all files star.star. Okay, now here we will use with open fln with mode w. Okay, as my file. Right, now here I will call csv.writer in variable, so exp writer csv.writer which file, my file. Okay, delimiter comma, CSV files are comma separated file. Okay, now here I will use for loop for I in my data. Okay, my data variable keeps the data from the table and whatever we import from CSV or MySQL. Okay, so here for I in my data, here I will write to file. Okay, so exp writer dot write raw I सही है. Okay, sorry. Okay, now I will show message box that file has been created. Okay, so message box, let me check indentation, right? Okay, message box dot show info data exported, your data has been exported to here I will show file name, so os.path.base name, which file? FLN. Okay, successfully. Okay guys, this is our export function. Let me show you. Save the file and python 3 myapp.py. Okay, now I am going to save this data to CSV file. Okay, so I will simply click this export CSV button. Let me show you first that if we don't have data, it should show an error. So let's suppose I search, see the table is empty, and if I click this button I will see an error. You can see no data available to export, right? This is the condition that I had created. Okay, now clear. Now if I click this button now, so it will export all this data to the file. Okay, here data.csv, or we can simply enter data. Okay, let me click this save button and it will export data to data.csv. Okay, you can see the message, your data has been exported to data.csv successfully. Let's check it. Cat data.csv. Okay, you can see the data has been exported here. Now let me edit this file quickly so we can have some new data. Okay, nano data.csv. 3 data will be good enough. So here Johnson, Steve, 38. Okay, and here San Rock. Okay, and here 27. Okay, and here Michael, Steve or Stephen. Okay, and 35 his age. Okay, let me save this file. Now nano myapp.py. Okay, here I will work with import data now. Okay, so here okay, here I will import data. So FLN file dialog dot ask open file name. Okay, initial dir os.get cwd. Guys, please do not skip any step. Our whole video is very useful, so please watch entire video carefully so you will not miss anything. Title, open CSV, and don't forget to like and share my video. I hope you will benefit from my efforts. Okay, and here CSV file, CSV. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel if you did not subscribe yet, and don't forget to press bell icon so you will not miss my upcoming videos. Okay guys, okay, with open file, so FLN, okay, as my file. Now here I'm going to read from CSV. Okay, so CSV read, CSV dot reader, from which file? My file, delimiter, comma. Okay, now here I will use for loop for I in CSV read. I will append data to my data. Okay, my data dot append I, but here I have to clear my data as well, so my data dot clear. Okay guys, you are getting what I am doing. Now let me show you. Save the file, python 3 myapp.py. okay, right, mistyping. For I in, okay. Now see, this is the data in from database. Okay, but now when I click this button import CSV, it will ask me which file to import data from, and then it will print data here. Okay, so I select this data.csv that I added it. Okay, so okay, wait, I forgot to call update function. Nano myapp.py update function will update the table. Okay, here update my data. Okay, now check import data.csv, and you can see. Okay, please give me a second, let me turn off this alarm. Okay, I'm back. You can see the data is being shown here. This is from CSV. Okay, this is not from MySQL. If I clear this, it will show data from MySQL. You can see here, I click this and this is data from MySQL. Okay, and this is from CSV. So now I'm going to code this button, save data. Okay, when I click this save data, it will save this CSV data to MySQL. Okay, so let's code that button. Nano myapp.py. I hope you are enjoying the video, and I am very hopeful it will help you out. Okay, here I will run a for loop, but first I will confirm message box dot ask yes no. Okay, confirmation. Are you sure you want to save data to database? Okay, if yes, then for I in my data. Oh sorry. Okay, now here in my data, the first index, I mean 0 index, will have customer ID, and 1 will have first name, second will have last name, and the third index will have age. Okay, so we need first name, last name and age. Okay, but you can also call that customer ID like this. Okay, and here f name I1, L name I2, and age I3. Okay, this f name is first name, this is last name, this is age, and this is customer ID. Okay, but we are not going to insert this customer ID, and we will let MySQL use its auto increment. Okay, so we will only insert first name, last name and age. So here I will write query. Okay, insert into customers ID, first name, last name and age and date values. I will use null here, so my MySQL will use auto increment. Okay, and here this for first name, last name and age, and now for date. Okay, now here cursor dot execute. Okay, query, and in tuple I will pass f name, L name and age. Okay, now here I will do db commit. Oh sorry, indentions I forgot. Okay, but here outside of for loop I will use mydb dot commit. Okay, so it will save the data to MySQL and changes will be committed. Okay, and here I will show message box dot show info data saved. A data has been saved to database. Okay guys, now here no, here else. Okay, here I will just return false. Okay, if confirmation, if I confirm that yeah I want to save data to database, it will process this code, otherwise it will return false. Okay guys, let me show you. Wait, I forgot to update table. Okay, so here update. Okay, no, I will use clear here. Okay, in update we need to pass rows. Okay, so let's check now. Oh, I mistyped. False. Okay, now. See, okay, see now I'm going to import data this, and now I'm going to save this data to MySQL. So I will click this save data button, and this is asking for confirmation. If I click no, it won't save, but if I click yes, it will save. Okay, data has been saved to database. Now you can see the data is here. Okay, this is the data. Johnson, Sean and Michael, right? You can verify it here. Cat data dot CSV. You can see these three users customers have been added to MySQL. Okay guys, so this was the video contents for this video. Okay, it was requested by some users. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned. If you did not subscribe, please subscribe and turn on your notifications so you will not miss my upcoming videos. See you in next video. Take care. Goodbye.